Hello, here we are outside the train. Just taking a look inside the passenger compartment. It's for adults as well as children, so that's why we put in the better quality seat. All seat belted. Taking a look at the tractor then. It was a Landini power farm. I took the rear wheels off, put on a truck tyre and a smaller truck tyre on the front to bring it down lower, and skinned it all with metal to make it look like a steam engine. The existing cab remained in place. I've taken off the side panel of the engine and put it sitting on the ground, and I've opened up the top bonnet to let us look in. So that bonnet opens, the other side opens the same way as well. Reveals the engine compartment. The engine seems to go from about there to there. Then with the radiators, air conditioning I think, breather, battery compartment, front end, fire extinguisher that need to be considered. There's the oil pump, which is down there, which is driven in a cog of the engine, which might be able to be driven off a pulley and belt in a new situation. Similarly, this is the small little compressor to provide the air for the trailers. It's belt driven, and with a small oil circulation to keep it in good shape. The dimensions from the front, from here to the front of the enclosure, is about 1.4 meters. From here to the top here is about 1.2 meters, and the width of this from here to here is about 650. The chassis would have to be able to go from this point to reconnect with this steel here to replace what the engine is doing as a chassis at the moment. So that way the clutch and the gearbox remains in position, because it seems too much to go braking further back for a direct drive. That's kind of all there is to see there. It's easier to do a video to explain it rather than to try to explain it in text. Going inside for a moment. Standard agri tractor kind of situation. These are my own controls for specific to this task, which is all 12 volt. On the dash then you have a normal agri dash, forward and reverse there. On this side, the gear stick for 1, 2, 3 and 4 gears. Lower down is a high and low range. The possibility is that we can still get some use out of some of the gears on that. There's a position on the floor for an accelerator pedal. This will probably go as everything else is as per agri tractor. So that's kind of what it is. It's just to consider looking at converting to electricity. Then on the outside, there may be a future possibility of extending the roof line forward to the front, as if like a showman steam tractor, so that the area up there could be utilised for an array of solar panels for charging. Down here then that's the old diesel tank, which can disappear, but it seems the ideal opportunity to have a look at going electric. So a small bit of a video, no matter how good or bad it is, probably better than all the text I can write about it. So that's it. Thank you.